Did you know the first computer bug wasn't a software glitch? Back in 1947, engineers working on the Harvard Mark II computer found a literal moth stuck in a relay, causing the system to malfunction. They removed the moth and taped it into the logbook with the note, "First actual case of bug being found." That's where the term debugging comes from. Today, we use the term to describe fixing software issues. But it all started with an actual insect. So, the next time you're debugging, remember, you're continuing a tradition that started with a very confused moth.